welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to feature my friend Demetria, and I'll leave her Instagram down below, so don't forget to give her a follow. This eye look consists of a cool tone cut crease, and then we paired that with a neutral lip. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, leave a comment down below and a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
We are starting this makeup look with the all-nighter setting spray and spraying her face for primer. And then we are going in with the Mario Badescu lip balm, which is one of my favorites, to prep the lips for lipstick that we will apply later. Now going in with the True Blend base primer. This is just to smooth out her pores and any imperfections before we go in with the foundation. This was the first time trying out this Lancome foundation. I thought it was amazing, looks very natural on the skin. It's buildable, and I would say it's light to medium coverage. Now going in with the under eye color corrector to cancel out any darkness under the eyes before we go in with the concealer. Now going in with concealer, I'm taking the NYX HD concealer and I am placing that on the high points of her face and underneath the eyes to cancel out any darkness. This was the first time ever using this concealer as well. I will say it's very thin, so it took a lot of concealer to get the coverage that I wanted. Now going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast, I am warming up her face and contouring to bring back dimension into her face. I am taking the original foundation brush and I am blending that seamlessly to make sure there are no harsh lines. Now going in with my favorite powder ever, the Translucent Loose Powder by Laura Mercier. I am taking the Beauty Blender and I'm making sure there are no creases underneath the eyes. And then I'm taking that product and pushing it into the skin to ensure that the product does not budge. Now going in with the Anastasia Contour Kit, I am taking the two bronze shades and warming up her face and setting down the cream contour. Now taking the banana shade from the same contour kit, I'm placing that underneath her eyes and alongside her nose to cancel out any shadows. Now I'm locking everything in with the all-nighter setting spray. This will help the product sink into her skin and to look more natural. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm priming them, getting them ready for shadow, and setting them down with a little bit of powder. Now going in with the ColourPop Cool Toned Frozen 2 Elsa eyeshadow palette, I am taking the shade Fire and I'm buffing that all over the lid and into the crease and also on the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade Spindrift and I am deepening out the outer V and also dragging that into the crease. Now taking that same shade, I am dragging that across the lower lash line and smoking that out. Now to map out her cut crease, I'm taking this NYX concealer and I'm having her open each eyelid to see where her crease stops. Now going in with the star of the show, which is the shade Northern Lights, I'm wetting the brush just to make the eyelids appear more wet. Now going back in with Spindrift, I'm blending the harsh line where the outer V meets the cut crease. Now going in with the tattoo eyeliner in shade Trooper, I'm creating a thin line across the lash line and then flicking that out on the outer corner. Now taking the shade Gale, I'm placing this on the center of the lid to make it look more dimensional. Now going in with the Man Eater mascara, I'm coating her bottom and top lashes. Now moving on to eyebrows, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo and I'm filling in any sparse areas. She already has beautiful eyebrows, so I did not have to do too much. To highlight the brow bone and the inner corner, I'm taking the shade Cuddle Close. Now to set down the brows, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and just setting them in place. Now moving straight into highlighter, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm and I'm placing it on the high points of her face just to give her a little bit of glow. Now taking the CoverGirl True Blend blush, I am placing that on the apples of her cheeks and bringing that back into her contour. Now to amp up the look, we are going in with falsies. Now moving on to lips, I'm going in with the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in shade Oak, and I'm outlining her natural lip line. I'm pairing the lip liner with the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in shade Spice, and I'm placing that all over her lips. To finish off the lips, I'm taking the shimmer gloss and placing that in the center of her lips to make her lips appear fuller. To finish this look off and to lock in all her makeup, I'm spraying her face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.